Hi guys! Welcome to video number 4 of our Financial Literacy Challenge. On our previous video, I shared some tips on how to track your spending. And now, I will share ideas in saving for emergencies. Think of savings for emergencies is very important. It will save you when you need it. How? First, determine your emergency fund goal. In this, you will figure out how much money you need to cover the 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. Bakit 3 to 6 months? According sa study, if you are single, kailangan meron kang nakasave na 1 to 3 months of your monthly expenses. Pero kung may umaasa sa'yo or merong dependents, 3 to 6 months ang kailangan mong nakasave. Because this will give you a peace of mind in case of unexpected events such as job loss or medical emergencies. Second, automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking to your savings account. This way, you won't have to worry about manually transferring your money and your emergency fund will grow on its own. Third, don't dip into your emergency fund. Only use your emergency fund for emergencies. Emergency fund nga eh. So, if you use it for non-emergency expenses, you will have to start from the scratch. Having an emergency fund is like having a cape that helps you soar through financial turbulence. So, if you have one, you will be able to handle unexpected events with ease and reach your financial goals faster. Watch my video number 5, Retirement. See you!